Kids, everybody will love it. Sesame seed chutney. The second chutney is also very simple. The awesome vegetables in this. My life is beautiful. The sambar is all ready. Let's dive into enjoy great breakfast. Here I am getting to enjoy very hot. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at whatever.com. Today we are going to make fried Dosa Bondas, what we call punugulu. You can fry that last leftover batter and you can make an excellent snack. But I'm going to make it healthy by giving the right combination. The first, we're going to serve it with chutney, and this chutney is sesame seed chutney. Sesame seed chutney, you want to give good iron or whatever you need for the body and good nutrients from the coconut also. The sesame seed I have roasted, the coconut, the red chilli, even the tamarind you're not going to cook. We are going to put in a blender and make a paste out of it. All you need to do is add right amount of water and the consistency of the chutney, and this will be a great combination. The second chutney is also very simple. We got tomato, onion, peanuts, coriander seeds, red chilli, curry leaves and tamarind. All you need to do is add oil, and in this we're going to add all the ingredients at the same time. The red chilli, the curry leaves, the coriander seeds, peanuts, tamarind, very little. Onion, you can cut bigger pieces like this, and also tomato. Add little bit of turmeric. So all you do is just put everything on the stove, slowly roast it. Even you can put the lid on and let it cook for a few minutes, then put in the blender, same thing again. Adjust the moisture, adjust the salt and make your chutney very, very tasty. Look at them, all of them have slowly cooked. We're going to let this cool down, add little water and then make a paste. This is what is going to be chutney. Always a good chutney, just you have to make sure you adjust the salt correct. We're going to make even sambar, and this sambar you can make with tuar dal, you can make it with chana dal, you can make it with moong dal, you can even make it with urad dal. Every day you make different kind of sambar for the breakfast, and it will be very healthy because the kids get various kinds of nutrients. In this add oil. Look at this, this tempering is also very, very interesting. In this add red chilli, mustard seeds and cumin. Once the red chilli, mustard seeds, everything sizzles, I've got all the vegetables here including onion, drumstick, cauliflower, green chilli, the bigger one, and the carrot. Including curry leaf, put all of them together, saute them. Once these vegetables get kind of sizzled, I added turmeric in the dal while cooking. So I am not adding turmeric also. And in this breakfast sambar, you don't even need to add tamarind juice. I've got one more vegetable here, the eggplant. I put the eggplant in the water so they don't discolor. Once these vegetables saute a little bit, now we're going to add tomatoes. Look at it, how simple and easy it is. In this, we're going to add the sambar powder. If you do not have sambar powder, you can add a little bit of red chilli powder, coriander powder, and that also will make it pretty good. In this, add water. Let me add some salt also. I always suggest you that if you're making the dal and sambar early in the morning, you just cook the dal and keep it ready. I always have this cooked dal at home, and before the evening and the morning you make it fresh. Everybody is happy eating the really fast cooked and the tasty sambar. Look at this. Now my sambar is ready. These sambars are the breakfast sambars. You are not eating with rice, you are eating with whatever, the idli, dosa or whatever you are making. They are excellent because you are putting in all the vegetables which gives you good nutrients, and the dal, the protein. The sambar is all ready. Just in 5-7 minutes the sambar can be ready. Now making this dosa bonda is very easy. You have the leftover dosa batter. In this you can either add crushed pepper, you can also add green chilli. You have to use your own combination of taste. That's what I always teach you. Add some onion, chopped coriander. In this you can also add a little bit of all-purpose flour, that is maida, to make this bondas. Mix all of this and the batter is ready. This will go directly into the hot oil as little bondas. Look at this batter, just the way the vada batter is. All you need to do is drop it into small dumplings, apply little water, then they will come round. You want to cook it at the right temperature so that they cook well from inside. Kids, everybody will love it. All you need to do is just remove from the hot oil And look at this nice dumpling. You know, I'm going to show you many breakfast items, even using leftover rice, which you will thoroughly love it. These are all ready. The sambar is ready. The chutneys are ready. Let's dive into enjoy great breakfast. The chutneys, I did not put even the oil, but the tempering, what we do is, we always have tempering ready. Just a little bit on the chutney, because that gives a very nice crunchy bite. And look at this breakfast sambar. This is more of vegetables and very, very tasty. Look at these great dumplings, and they are inside. Look at them, nice like a bread. These things you can super thoroughly enjoy with these chutneys. Look at this, one chutney on this off and other chutney on this off. Here I am getting to enjoy the richness of the peanuts on one chutney and richness of sesame seeds on one. Very hot. I am going to double dip into the chutney. Wow, these chutneys are super tasty. All you have to do is make these excellent chutneys. Even though I am having this fried food for breakfast, I am enjoying more with chutneys and sambar. What is there to hide? See, I love these dumplings, the dosa bondas. All I do is just pick them up few and put it into the hot sambar like this. Even though I am just eating few of them, now I am feeling as if I am eating so many bondas along with this excellent sambar. Let me salute my traditional breakfast, and let me salute you all for encouraging me, inspiring me to make more recipes. I'll keep cooking as long as you share these videos with your friends. Wow, the awesome vegetables in this. My life is beautiful. Make your life beautiful by eating great food every day. Enjoy life, enjoy great cooking. Thank you very much.